Welcome students. Hope you all have gone through the video of coordinate geometry part 1 in which we have seen Cartesian plane, axis, coordinates, abscissa, ordinate, etc. This is a concluding part and here I am going to discuss how to plot a point on a Cartesian plane and how to find the coordinates of a given point. I am Priya Menon. See figure and write the following. A Cartesian plane is given with few points marked on that, isn't it? You will be asked to find the coordinates of the given point or to identify the point if the coordinates are given. In both the cases, what you have to do is find the distance of the point from y-axis, which is your abscissa. Then find the distance of the point from x-axis, which is your ordinate. Clear? Your first question is to find the coordinates of the point B. As we have already discussed, you have to find the distance of point B from y-axis. It's very clear from the figure that B is -5 units away from y-axis. That's your abscissa. Now you will find the distance of B from x-axis. B is +2 units away from x-axis. That is your ordinate. So the coordinates of B can be written as -5, 2. Remember, we write the coordinates of a point as abscissa followed by ordinate. Both the numbers you will write in bracket. Next question is to find the coordinates of C. Check the figure. Find the distance of C from y-axis. C is +5 units away from y-axis, which is your abscissa. Now check the distance of C from x-axis. C is -5 units away from x-axis, which is your ordinate. Hence, the coordinates can be written as +5, -5. How to find the point identified by the coordinates -3, -5? What will you do? From the figure, you can make out that the point E is -3 units away from y-axis and -5 units away from x-axis. The coordinates are -3 and -5. So abscissa -3, ordinate -5. So the required point is E. If you are asked to find the point identified by the coordinates 2, -4, you have to find which point lies 2 units away from y-axis and -4 units away from x-axis. While comparing, you get the point as G. So G is the required point. Further, you need to find the abscissa of point D. Abscissa is the distance of the point from y-axis. D is 6 units away from y-axis. So the abscissa of D is 6. To find the ordinate of H, you need to check the distance of H from x-axis, which is -3 units. Ordinate you know. Ordinate of a point is the distance of the point from x-axis. So here the ordinate of H is -3. Here you are asked to find the coordinates of L. L lies on y-axis. If a point lies on y-axis, its abscissa is 0. To find the ordinate, we have to check the distance of L from x-axis, which is +5 units. So the coordinates of L can be written as 0, 5. Further, you need to find the coordinates of M. M lies on x-axis. If a point lies on x-axis, its ordinate will be 0. So the ordinate of M is 0. To find the abscissa, what we have to do? Check its distance from y-axis, which is -3. So the coordinates of M are -3, 0. Please note it down. If a point lies on y-axis, its abscissa will be 0. If the point lies on x-axis, its ordinate will be 0. This helps you to plot points on a Cartesian plane. Hope it's clear. Moving further, state in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 and -3, -5 lie. You need to verify your answer by locating them on a Cartesian plane. For your reference, a Cartesian plane with quadrants are given below. You are requested to copy it in your notebook before stating the quadrants, okay? Your first point is -2, 4. Here abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive. The Cartesian plane shows that in second quadrant the abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive. So the point negative 2, 4 lies in the second quadrant. Next is 3 minus 1. Here abscissa is positive and ordinate is negative. From the Cartesian plane it's clear that in the fourth quadrant abscissa is positive and ordinate is negative. So we can say the point 3, negative 1 lies in fourth quadrant. Our third point is negative 1, 0. Here the ordinate is 0. If the ordinate is 0, then the point lies on the x-axis. Here the abscissa is negative 1. So the point lies on the x-axis where the negative numbers are shown. Okay, the left side of x-axis. The fourth point is 1, 2. Here both abscissa and ordinate are positive. And we know that in the first quadrant both abscissa and ordinate are positive. So the point 1, 2 lies in the first quadrant. Next is negative 3, negative 5. Both are negative. And we know that in third quadrant both abscissa and ordinate are negative. So the point negative 3, negative 5 lies in third quadrant. Further, you see a question to plot the points x, y given in the following table on the plane choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. There is a table with x and y values are given. X values are -2, -1, 0, 1 and 3. Y values are 8, 7, -1.25, 3 and -1. First of all, what you have to do is draw x and y axis. We will name them x, x dash and y, y dash. And the point of intersection we mark as O, the origin, with the coordinates 0, 0. Here the points to be marked on the Cartesian plane are -2, 8, -1, 7, 0, -1.25, 1, 3 and 3, -1. Let's see how we can plot these points on a Cartesian plane. Here we have x and y axis with origin O. The first point to be plotted is -2, 8. That means you have to find a point -2 units away from y-axis and 8 units away from x-axis. You can mark the point as A -2, 8. Our next point is -1, 7. So what you have to do? You will find a point -1 units away from the y-axis and 7 units away from x-axis. So I am plotting the point and marking it as B -1, 7. The next point is 0, 1.25. Here the abscissa is given as 0. So we know that the point lies on y-axis. The ordinate is a decimal number which is 1.25. Mark a point on the y-axis at 1.25. Name the point as C0, 1.25. Our next point is 1, 3. You have to plot a point which is 1 unit away from the y-axis and 3 units away from the x-axis. Mark the point as D1, 3. Next we have 3, -1. Plot a point which is 3 units away from y-axis and -1 unit away from x-axis. I am marking the point as E3, -1. Before concluding this chapter, I would like you to answer a few questions. First question, what is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? Question 2, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? Question 3, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Question 4, plot the following points on a Cartesian plane. Points are 0, -3, 3, 7, -2, 6, -1, -4 and 5, 0. Hope you all have understood the concept of coordinate geometry and Cartesian system. You'll be using this in plotting points on a graph later on this year and in higher classes. Please answer the questions given in the previous slide and send me through email. My email ID is priyagps10@gmail.com. We'll meet you soon with another chapter. Thank you.